Hi everyone, I'm Jordan Landis-Brenman, and today I'm going to give you some suggestions of what you can wear instead of a fanny pack. Let's get one thing straight. Fanny packs are not hip, they're not trendy, so let's work together and I'll give you a few more chic and sophisticated suggestions. My favorite replacement for the fanny pack is a crossbody bag. Not only does it store just as much as a fanny pack, but it's much more chic and sophisticated. The way it works is you put it over your body and it sits on the edge of your hip and it can hold just as much as any other bag. My second option is a clutch that has a handle on it. It's much better looking than a bulky fanny pack. If you absolutely cannot get rid of your fanny pack, I give you permission to use a money belt. A money belt is great because it can go under your clothes and again doesn't give you that extra added weight and bulk. So as you can see here, it's a smooth line under your clothes. You can fit your wallet. It's great for travel. So those are my options. Good luck.